Welcome to this YouTube channel Learn Quick. I am Sharif here to explain you a problem on projection of straight line. I hope you all remember the 14 datas which we learned in our previous video projection of straight line. Now we will read the given question and identify the given 5 datas out of these 14 datas. Once it is done, the geometric procedure becomes very easy. A line PQ 75 mm long has its end P. So the line length is given as 75 mm. So the 75 mm is the true length of the given line. 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. So the point P is 15 mm above HP. So the data number 2 is given. And it is 20 mm in front of VP, that is the third data is also given. The other end Q is 70 mm above HP and 55 mm in front of VP. So the data number 4 and the data number 5 is given. So the first 5 data is given in this problem. So what we have to draw and what we have to find? Draw the projection of the straight line and find its true inclination with HP and VP. So they have asked to draw the complete projection and then they have asked to find the true inclination of the line with HP and then VP. So they have asked us to find the data number 8 and data number 9. So if you see the format here, so what are the data is given? They have given the data 1. So that they have given the true length of the line. So from here to here the length is given and the same true length is also available in the top view. Okay. So the data number 2 is also given. So which is nothing but the distance between the reference line and the locus of P dash. Okay. So and the data number 3, which is the distance between the locus of P to the XY line. So this distance from here to here. So next what they have given, the data number 4, that is the distance of locus of Q dash from your XY line. So from here to here. So similarly the distance of locus of Q from XY line is also given in this problem. So totally 5 data have been given. They have asked to find data number 8 and data number 9. So which is nothing but the true inclination of the line from the front view and true inclination of the line from top view. So let's see how to do it. So first draw a horizontal line XY as your reference line. Now to draw the locus, mark 15 mm above HP and mark 10 mm in front of VP. So similarly mark 70 mm above HP and mark 55 mm in front of VP. Now draw the locus of P dash, locus of P, locus of Q dash and locus of Q. Locus of Q dash, locus of Q. Now consider a point in XY line and draw the projector of P dash and P. Now measure the true length of the line 75 mm and then from P dash cut an arc in the locus of Q dash. Similarly, the same 75 mm, the true length of the line, cut an arc in locus of Q. Name it as Q2 and Q1 dash. Now join P and Q dash, Q2 as a true length. Similarly join P dash and Q1 dash as your true length. Now project Q1 dash to a top view up to locus of P. Similarly project Q2 to a front view till locus of P dash. Now mark this point as Q2 dash. This is Q2 in top view and in front view it becomes Q2 dash. Similarly, this is q1 dash in your front view, and in top view it becomes q1. Now with the help of your compass, measure p dash and q2 dash and draw an arc to locus of q dash. Similarly, place your compass in P and measure q1 and draw an arc to locus of Q. Now name this as Q and Q dash. Now draw the apparent line PQ using your HB pencil. Similarly, apparent line P dash, Q dash. Now we will dimension the given datas. The distance of P in front view and top view. And we will also dimension the true length of the line. I am using the engineering template to draw the arrowheads. So the true length of the line is 75. The distance of P dash in front view is given as 15. The distance of P in front of VP is given as 10. The distance of Q dash above HP is given as 70. The distance of Q in front of VP is given as 55. Now they have asked us to find the true inclination of the line in front view and then top view. Let's dimension this. Now when I measure the true inclination of the line, I got 47 degree. So true inclination of the line to VP, I got 36. So I hope you liked the video. In case if you have liked the video, press like button, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.